A website portal can be created from your Zoho CIM. The portal allows your customer access to their job information, including scheduled details, financial transactions, images, updates, and much more. Portal are managed in Builder's Excellence using 5 modules. These are Website Portal, Portal Profiles, Portal Navigation, Portal Manuals, Portal Folders. These modules allow you to customize each portal experience. Under the Website Portal, you can customize the colors of your portal, change logos, and update the portal homepage image. The portal profiles are linked to portal navigation options. This means the menu names and navigation layout can be customized for every user. The menu can integrate selected records, such as proposals and invoices, including making payments. Customers can approve variations by clicking on Update and selecting a decision. Check the schedule and see gallery images and share comments. The portal navigation provides a range of options for you to configure, designing portals based on their stage of the job or the type of customer they are. Not only can you decide their navigation, but you can choose when records are published to the portal and ready for the customer to view. Using folders and menus, you can share general information or job-specific data. This may be a work drive folder or external link. You can also use a customizable manual menu to create easy access to additional information like equipment warranties and user guides. Watch the videos on configuring portals to learn more information on how to create a custom layout. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an instant portal from an inquiry record and invite the customer using the default customer profile. I will demonstrate what the customer experiences when they log into the portal for the first time and how to change the location image on their homepage. This process is quick and easy and can be actioned at any stage of the inquiry. In this example, I have an inquiry where the sales process is complete and I'm ready to hand over to the project team. Before I close the inquiry, I'm going to invite the customer to the portal to track their project. To give the customers access to the portal, in the inquiry, go to the Portal tab. Since a portal has not yet been created for Mr. and Mrs. Hansen, tick on Create Portal. Once the portal has been created, the system will automatically send a portal invite via email to register and access the portal. To show you the process, I'm going to the primary contact's contact record and on his emails under the Activity tab. Here is the portal invite. Please note, this email is set up under the email templates. You can customize this with your own layout, content, logo, and branding style. Please watch the Creating Email Templates video to learn more. Click on Register Now. This will redirect you to the portal registration page. Set a password and click Register. When the client logs in, they will be welcomed with a picture of their property. This may be a drawing or an actual image, or you can create a generic image with your marketing team. This image was stored under the location record in the inquiry. When the portal was created, this image was instantly copied to the website portal record. If you do not have a location image, a default image can be used instead. If you want to change this image, you can do this from the website portal module. Navigate to the Setup tab and in the Primary Image field, upload an image of the job site or the property. And this image will automatically sync to the portal related. Once the client is logged into their portal, they will see the colors, navigation menu based on the website portal settings and profile assigned to them. For more information on how to use a portal, watch the additional portal videos.